اور میں احسان اللہ سے کہوں گا کہ وہ سٹیج پہ آئے اور اپنی تقریر کریں، انگلش میں جو تقریر ہے وہ اس کو سنائیں. احسان اللہ.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and most respectful, respected principal, respected teachers, and honorable guests. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I decided to deliver the topic of 5 pillars of Islam. In my speech, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us many precious lessons of Islam. In my speech, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us many precious lessons of Islam. Among them, the most important is 5 pillars of Islam, which are Shahada. Shahada is the first pillar of Islam. There is no God except Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last messenger of Allah. Salat. The second pillar of Islam is of our daily 5 prayers. Saum. The third pillar of Islam is Saum, fasting during the month of Ramadan. Zakat. Zakat is the fourth pillar of Islam, to give charity to the poor and needy people. Hajj. The fifth pillar of Islam is Hajj, the journey to Makkah for performing Hajj in the last Islamic month of Dhul-Hajj. In Islam, we all Muslims in all around the world should practice 5 pillars of Islam to be successful in this world and in Akhirah. All 5 pillars mentioned in the Holy Book Quran, and it is the set of religion duties. May Allah grant us a life of happiness and complete submission to the will of Allah. Thank you for listening my speech. Hope you all follow these 5 pillars of Islam in your daily life. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.